want to get a new desktop. This desktop is so slow. I'm getting parts to upgrade that. I'm gonna get 2 new hard disk drives, an SSD, some cables, and more RAM. Can't wait to see how fast this desktop is. My current desktop is powered by a 512 gigabyte hard disk drive, technically slowing down my computer. It doesn't help that I only have 4 gigs of RAM. As you can see, I only have 1 RAM slot occupied. It's one of those computers that still has a disk drive. Right over here, we can actually put movies inside it. As soon as I get this thing on SSD, it's gonna be really fast. Booting up is gonna take like less than 20 seconds, which will be really nice. I have an Intel Core i5, 3470, 4 gigs of RAM. My hard disk drive is typically rated at 466. Its active use time is gonna stay at 100%. That's basically all I have. Well, my package came sooner than expected. Let's go ahead and take it to my room and set it up. These are the RAM. This is the 2 terabyte hard disk drive attached with the SSD. RAM first. So this should click in like that. That one's seated in. I guess I'm gonna have to do it to one side first, then the other. All the parts are in. Amaze me. Okay, so it's automatically going into Windows, and we're on. 11.9 gigs of RAM. I'll download a bunch of stuff on this. Booting app is gonna take less than 20 seconds. So how's gaming on this desktop? Are you guys ready to see what happens? It's not good. So Tinky Online is actually loading right now. Desktop, however, takes forever to optimize to the workload it's having to produce. As you can see, effortless login. And within 10 seconds. Overall, I'm pleased with the results that I've gotten. 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 128 gigabyte SSD. Thanks for watching this tech video, and I'll see you guys later.